Once again, good morning, dear students. In our first session, we have studied about Introduction to Principles of Commerce and Management and its nature. Like management principles are formed to guide and influence the behavior of employees. We have also seen that all the principles are universally applicable. They are general guidelines given under principles of management. Principles of management are formed by practice and experiments. Management principles are flexible. They are behavioral in nature. There is cause and effect relationship where all the principles are given equal importance. Now today we will concentrate on significance of principles of management. Principles of management provides useful insight to managers. Principles of management are helpful in understanding the social responsibility. They are scientific decisions, helpful in taking scientific decisions. Principles of management are helpful in efficient utilization of resources. Principles of management encourages research and development. Principles of management develops objective approach, and principles of management helps to coordinate and control. Now one by one we will see its explanation. First of all, principles of management provides useful insight to managers. Principles of management helps the manager to understand the organization better and to understand the situations and problems. Dear students, keep in mind there are 3 points or 3 factors which are helpful to manager when he follows principles of management. First of all, to understand the organization better, to understand the situation and problems, and to find out solutions to various situations and problems. Management principles are based on the experience of various professional people. These managers can use the experience in solving organization problems by applying the management principles. It reduces the wastage of resources and helps to achieve the organizational goals. Point number 2. Principles of management are helpful in understanding social responsibility. Management principles are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources properly, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of the organization. This helps management to focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market, fair competition, fair remuneration, change in the environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machines, etc. Example, business organization should focus on developing eco-friendly products. My dear students, it is the important advantage of every principles of management, that management principles, they are mainly handling the resources. They are handling those resources properly just to reduce the wastage, and they are focusing on providing good quality of products at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation, fair competition which may be existing in the market, fair remuneration, change in the environment. In all these factors, this particular principles of management is helpful. Now, the next point is scientific decisions. Here the term scientific decision means systematic and balanced decisions. Management principles train the managers to handle critical situations tactfully. It means properly, so that there will not be any requirement of trial and error method. By proper use of management principles, management can get an idea of how to analyze the situation and to find out alternative options and their results. Next point, principles of management is helpful in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization, there are mainly two types of resources, named as physical resources and human resources. Example of physical resources are material, machines, money, etc. Human resources like manpower. Now, basic function of management is optimum utilization. It means proper utilization of these resources and controlling wastage. To maintain discipline and healthy working environment, management always uses different techniques and principles which coordinates between a management and employees, which is ultimately useful for the effective administration. See, ultimately we can say that for proper coordination between management and employees, principles of management is very helpful. For example, use of standard tools and machinery helps in increasing quality or productivity as well as increasing level of efficiency of human resources. Principles of management encourages research and development. Principles of management are dynamic. Their nature goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. Over the years, principles of management have developed to suit the current needs. Therefore, these principles give encouragement to research and development in the organization. Next point, it develops objective approach. Principles of management helps the manager to develop an objective approach. Thus, the manager can identify the business opportunities, root cause of problems in correct manner. He can provide solutions in an objective manner. This approach builds confidence in the minds of managers. Principles of management is helpful to coordinate and control. Management principles give the guidelines for better coordination and control. While practicing management, the managers can make use of the principles to coordinate the activities of different departments. Managers can exercise better control over the organization. Thus, the given target can be achieved easily. That's it for the day. Rest of the points we will be concentrating tomorrow.